Hi, welcome to Random Thoughts for today on Single Minded Focus. I'm Prosabala. Last night I was watching the Olympics tennis men's singles match. Novak Djokovic versus Carlos Alcaraz. A very, very tight match, and eventually Djokovic prevailed and he won 7-6, 7-6. I learned a lot of things in terms of leadership lessons. We have always known that among the various characteristics of leadership, one of them talks about a single minded focus. And if you read the interviews, if you read the autobiography of Novak Djokovic, you will see that very often he has said how he punishes his own body to conditioning it to meet the challenges, and how he has sacrificed so many things in life at the prime youth in order to achieve whatever he wanted to achieve. And that is the lesson in leadership. How do you pursue your vision? How do you pursue your goal? How do you pursue where you want to be going with a single-minded approach, with a single-minded focus, without distractions, and realizing that it will call for a trade-off. It will call for sacrifices on many other fronts, but you are willing to do that because you want to achieve your vision. You want to move towards your goal. And that is an essential characteristics. I'm also reminded of the movie 1982 Richard Attenborough movie Gandhi, in which there are many scenes in which Gandhi is being advised or is being told by his admirers about whether India will achieve freedom. And his answer has always been, it is not a matter of if, it is a matter of how and when, which means that he was very clear that India will achieve its freedom. The question is when and how, in what way, in what manner, what will be the consequences. The same thing holds good here as well. Djokovic has sacrificed many things. In fact, I was reading about from his autobiography one of the instances in 2012 where he says that after winning the Australian Open, when he returned to the dressing room, he just wanted one thing, a small bit of chocolate. And somebody brought a candy bar, and he just took a very tiny small piece and allowed it to melt in his mouth, on his tongue, and he relished it. That is the kind of a punishment that he had to undergo. And Djokovic has been a monumental example of doing this, pursuing his goal. So think about it. We'll keep chatting.